Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will tell you a full day of eating, a diet plan and including the workout plan. This is a 15 days challenge, so follow this diet plan along with the workout plan and you will be able to lose around 5 kg in just 15 days. So let's get started first with the workout plan. For that you need a mat. My first exercise is inchworm. For that I'll bend down and walk forward, push down and back. One. Let's do 5 of these. Push down. 2. 3. 4. Last. 5. Followed by butt kicks. 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 8, 9, 30. Great job. Followed by jump squats. Let's do 15 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. Followed by mountain climbers. Come to full body plan. Now do 15 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. Let's take 10 seconds of break. Follow this routine daily with me in order to lose 5 kg in just 15 days. So I think the break is over. Let's hop into plank jacks. Come to full body plank again. Like this, 15 plank jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. Followed by curtsy lunges. For that, I'll do like this. 1, good. 2, 15 of these. 3, 4, 5, good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, good. 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. So ending my workout with plank. So come to elbow plank. You can do full body plank as well. Coming on elbow plank. Make sure your body is straight. 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. I will do this plank one more time. Elbow plank. Taking the positions. It is all good. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. So this was the workout that you need to follow along with the diet plan. For diet plan, I'll tell you what to do. For diet plan, in morning breakfast, that means around 8:30 to 9:30, you will have something of oats. If you are like having a vegetable oats uttam, you can have one single uttam along with the chutney, or you can have milk oats, a bowl of oats and milk. You can include your favorite fruit such as banana or apple or mango also. Or you can have a mango shake, but that should be without sugar. For your snacks, you can have a glass of chas or buttermilk, or you can have 1 glass of cold coffee. Or in lunch, you can have a bowl of dal followed by any seasonal vegetable and 1 chapati and a lot of salad. Or if you are a rice lover, you can have a bowl of rice including with dal and salad. Or if you want to include paneer or any kind of non-veg curry in your lunch, then what you can do, you can have a bowl of paneer or chicken or any kind of non-veg you are having with rice or roti. At 5 p.m. around your snack time or pre-workout, I will suggest you to have a cold coffee or a black coffee if you prefer. It is a great pre-workout or post-workout drink, and it will give you energy as well. Make sure it is without sugar. For dinner, better to keep it low as much as you can. If you want to lose weight, keep your dinner low. So that means it is better to have soup or soupy dalia or oats or some kind of only dal with vegetables. So that would be perfect combination in order to lose weight. So keep your dinner as much as light as you can, or you can have a katori of dal with 1 chapati, and before sleep you can have a plain milk, but that too without sugar. I hope you have liked this video. Please do follow this video and do mention your weight loss journey and as well as your progress in comment section. You can also follow me on Instagram. I put my updates daily on Instagram. So do follow me on Instagram, it's Fitness by Dipali, and on Facebook it's Health and Fitness by Dipali. Thank you so much for watching it.